Pradesh, the Allahabad High Court has observed that the entire medical system of Uttar Pradesh pertaining to smaller cities and villages can only be taken to be like the famous Hindi saying Ram Bharose, or at the mercy of God. The observation was made by a two-judge bench of Justices Siddharth Verma and Ajit Kumar, who are hearing an ongoing public interest litigation demanding better care for COVID patients in the state. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Alok Pandey for more on this. Alok, tell us more about this hearing, and that's quite a statement by the Allahabad High Court, and this is something that you've been reporting on for a while, and NDTV reporters have been visiting dispensaries and medical units in smaller towns, and the High Court observing that it is Ram Bharose.
Well, you're absolutely right, Gargi. And in this case, the observations came as part of a hearing that has been ongoing in Uttar Pradesh at the Allahabad High Court for a while now. So each time the court takes up the case, there are some new observations. This time the Ram Bharose, or at the mercy of God observation, came after the High Court was informed about the case in Meerut, in which it had asked the government to inquire. There was a patient who was admitted there, a COVID patient, and he collapsed in a bathroom at night, Gargi, and then his body was disposed of, and his relatives allegedly were not informed, and the body was later unaccounted for, and the patient was declared missing. And then there was an inquiry in which the government or whoever inquired blamed the doctors on night shift, and that is the context in which this observation was made by the Allahabad High Court. But there was much more that the High Court said, and these observations are very important to report, given that the government has been going around almost claiming that the second wave of the pandemic is over in Uttar Pradesh and that they are preparing for the third wave. But here is what the court says. The court also, Gargi, went and looked at the example of Western UP's Bijnor district. We are all familiar with Bijnor, those of us who live in northern India, because it's the kind of gateway to Uttarakhand. And the court says, and these are their sayings, that we note from government submissions that to our utter surprise, there is no level 3 hospital in Bijnor. They also say that there is no description as to what is the capacity of oxygen cylinders available in rural hospitals, and whether there are trained hands to operate these oxygen cylinders and concentrators. And then it goes on to again observe that when the government cannot meet the medical requirements of our people in normal times, then it definitely had to collapse the system in face of the present pandemic. Now, like I said, these observations are in direct contradiction to what the UP government has been claiming in terms of case reduction. Every day when they send us these COVID reports, the number of cases lessen across Uttar Pradesh by at least 1,000 to 2,000. The deaths are still high. You would expect that at least for the next 1 week or so. But the caseload seems to be coming down is what the government is saying. And they also claim, like I said, the Chief Minister has been touring and traveling across various districts in Uttar Pradesh. And he claims, or at least he and his government now say, that they are getting past the second wave and that they are in preparation for the third wave of the pandemic in Uttar Pradesh. And then you have a reality check like this from the top court in Uttar Pradesh. And the two points of view seem to be very jarring. But one does hope that the things will get better in this state.
All right, Alok, thanks so much for joining us with those details.